Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to cut, copy and paste in LibreOffice Writer, Calc, Impress and Draw. In Writer, mouse over the part of the text you want to cut. Use one of three options: Ctrl X or the cut symbol in the main toolbar, or right-click on the selection and use the cut symbol in the pop-up menu. The text will be deleted. In the remainder of the video, I will use the keyboard shortcuts as the fastest method. If you are going to have the text somewhere else, put the cursor there and use Ctrl V or one of the other two options. If you only want to copy the text without deleting it, use Ctrl C. Put the cursor to the new position and hit Ctrl V. In Calc, mouse over the cells you want to cut. Hit Ctrl X. Position the cursor to the new location and hit Ctrl V. If you want to delete cells permanently, hit the Delete button. If you only want to copy cell content to another place, select it and use Ctrl C. Go to the new location and hit Ctrl V. In Impress, click on the slide you want to cut. Hit Ctrl X. Insert the slide at another position with Ctrl V. Use Ctrl C to do the same without cutting the slide from the original position. In Draw, the cut function makes no sense as you cannot define a new insertion point. Just click on the element and drag it to the new position. Use Ctrl C to copy the element. With Ctrl V, the element's copy is right on top of the original. Click on it and drag the copy to the new position. This concludes our video about cut, copy and paste in the four main modules of LibreOffice. If you found it useful, like it and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment. I'll be happy to reply. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.